So, hi guys. Many of you must be thinking that if you are over 40, then do you want to start a YouTube channel? And the answer is yes, you should. So, what are the different reasons and why you should be starting your YouTube channel? There's so much to learn. And as far as learning goes, I think that everybody should constantly learn in their life so that they can grow and develop. Second thing, I feel that there are so many hidden talents everybody has, and there are not so many platforms where you can showcase your talent. So YouTube is one of the platforms, and which really is very helpful to showcase your hidden talents. So if you're good at cooking, you can very well start your cooking channel. If you're good at singing, why not? You can start your karaoke channel or maybe singing channel. So if you are an artist and if you are painting, then probably you can start that channel. So there are a variety of things and you will really enjoy what you're doing. Around pandemic time, my mentees told me that, hey, why don't you start a channel? Because I was actually working for empowering women through my art and poetry. And they felt that it's a good idea for me to put all the videos and my journey and post it on YouTube. So I started doing that. I really started my journey as an empowerment channel earlier. But what happened is after some time, I really started feeling, and plus my kids told me that, hey, nobody's interested in empowerment. And I also realized that fact. So why don't you start adding something to it, which can be kind of interesting. So I started putting travel videos because I love traveling. I thought that it's an important thing that people also get some tips out of my travel videos. So I started posting those and my channel started picking up. So I think that age doesn't matter really. It's more important is your passion, your dedication, and you should not feel sad if your channel is not working. It takes some time to grow. Not everything is like a one nice thing and you are going to just explode, nothing like that. But consistency is very important. So definitely it comes with a lot of dedication. You need to really spend a lot of time editing the videos, putting together topics, and you have to be consistent. Then another thing which I want to add and share with you is, why do you really want to have a channel after 40? Because I feel that one of the key aspects is your experience. Whatever experience you have gained in your life so far, it's very useful for the next generations. They can learn from you. And that's very, very important. You have to share your knowledge and they can benefit from that. So I feel that even these experiences are very valuable what we have got so far, and it's kind of very, very important that once they are shared with others, then they can take it further. I think that you should have your hobbies and pursue that. So having hobbies, it adds to fun. It adds some spice in your life. So even though it's like a dedicated job of having a YouTube channel and posting it consistently, I feel that it's very, very important that to have a hobby in life. And this can very well be your hobby. Next benefit which I feel is you start exploring yourself. You start exposing yourself to the newer channels. You start getting feedback from people. Sometimes it's positive, negative. But having said that, it's very, very important to get that and learn more. So what can be the another reason to start it? Well, I think that retirement planning, that's very, very important because you never know if your channel is working fine and if it starts getting you more views and subscribers, it starts getting you a good amount of money. And you never know, that can be your full-time job. And believe me, it's like an additional source of income. If you're having your primary job, then definitely it's an additional source of income and you're going to love it. So when you get money, it's very rewarding. It's a sense of satisfaction and you feel very proud about what you're doing. So it's a sense of accomplishment and I think you should really enjoy that. And yes, I think that you can inspire others. You can be a role model. And so I feel that Having a YouTube channel is good and it has no age limit, so you can very well explore variety of things, and age is not a barrier at all. So don't think about it. If you are thinking and if you are having a skeptical mind whether to start or not, then I think it's good time to start. And if I can do that, why not? You can do that very well too.
Yay!
If you like this video, if you like my thoughts, then please subscribe to my channel, and please visit my channel again, and I'll share more tips about my journey which can be helpful to you. So okay, so this is Dipti signing off. Thank you so much. So guys, if you like my video and if you like my experience, please consider liking, sharing and subscribing to my channel.